Good old storm get ready to roll in. Just came out of nowhere. It was bright and sunny a little while ago. I'm supposed to be taking my lady to the airport in a minute. She's going to Colorado. But it's probably going to delay. It literally was just hot, bright, and sunny about a half hour ago. Woo, there's some dark ones up there too. Oh yeah, I can feel this wind too when I step out here. That does not look good. Whew. That's some raindrops coming down too. I better get out of there. Oh yeah. Poor little bikers. They better get home before this comes down all the way. This thing is looking gnarly. Looks cool too though, but looking gnarly. To come out of nowhere, I mean, it was sunshine. Hot, humid, muggy. And this bad boy just popped up out of nowhere. About a half hour from now, I'm supposed to be taking her to the airport. I guarantee you this is gonna cause a delay. I rolled my windows up just in time. I had the car out there and was airing it out. Still smells almost a little fishy from vacation. I was airing it out with some Febreze and stuff, and had the windows down. All of a sudden I seen this coming, so I ran out and rolled them up. Sorry, I'm probably making y'all dizzy. I'm just trying to get a good view of whew, that rain is a little chilly. I'm getting sprinkles. Yeah, it's starting to get rain wrapping out of where you can't see the clouds that much. I don't know if you can see the rain bands in the camera or not, but I'm getting rain bands Woohoo! I'll probably get in the house. I'm getting kind of wet back here. I don't want the phone to get wet. I can actually see little rain bands though when I'm looking outside of the camera. Try to do this through the door for a minute. Ooh. Yeah, I can't see it when I look in the camera, but I'm telling you, like the rain is actually whipping different directions. I'm seeing little bands of it, and there's some going one way and some going the other. Hopefully this will cool us off though. The damn sun comes right back out. It's gonna be a muggy day again. Those wind gusts feel pretty good. Woo! Kind of hard doing this from behind the door. I got the door propped open with my shoulder. My other shoulder leaned up against the house, trying to stay out of the rain. Yeah, probably enough of that for right now. Just figured I'd show you when it was coming in.